What's going on, everybody? So today's Sunday. Got to go to the track yesterday. Got 2 passes in. Weather was an issue again. We got rained out, so they rescheduled it to today. Now, unfortunately, today is also Adam LZ's car show, his open house for his toy drive. So I am not going to be able to make it to that. However, the show does go till 5 p.m. So if the race ends earlier and I have enough time, I'll come home, take off my drag wheels, put on the RPF ones, and then roll over there. But I'm not confident that I'll have time to do both. And since I already paid to race Pinks All Out, that is what I'm gonna do. So, getting ready to head to the track now. I still have a ton of ice in my cooler that I bought yesterday. I actually bought a cooler yesterday, and I've always had like a whole bunch of little ones, and it's been annoying. So I just bought one really big one, and I have a whole bunch of ice in there now. So I think today I got some videos from some people, took some advice. I think I'm riding the clutch too much off the launch, which I kind of trained myself to do because I still have stock axles in my 03 Cobra IRS. So I'm not trying to break an axle. I am on slicks, so it kind of preserves them a little bit, but I think today I'm going to be more aggressive on the launch, and hopefully I do not break an axle. So yeah, I'm going to head to the track. My buddy Kenny's coming with me, so you guys will see him. All right, let's go. it was a crazy weekend to say the least. My original plan Friday and Saturday was Orlando Speed World for All Out Live, the Pinks event, but it rained every single day. Friday, it had rained, and someone had posted, either Pinks or OSW, had said, "Oh, we're racing tonight." So I loaded up and everything, went out there to plans a test, and about a mile out, it was still raining. So I wound up not testing that night. Next day, went out there in the afternoon. The weather looked like it cleared up, but it wound up raining again. I got 2 passes in, both of which were terrible. My first pass, I think, was like 11-1 at like 139. And then my second pass was a 10-3. So, yeah, it was just, it was terrible. There was no heat in the track. It was real humid out. And then it started raining, so we packed up and came back out Sunday morning. And then, Sunday morning, I was like, well, I'm not going to be able to get to Adam's show. But I wound up being able to go because, like you guys saw, I got knocked out in the first round. So, and it still hurts. So embarrassing. But lessons learned. Take that to the next event, and definitely be a little bit more prepared next time. So yeah, Sunday was crazy busy. Like, we went to the track in the morning. I was there, made another test pass, ran a new personal best, ran a 10-2 at 139. Then I ran another 10-2 right after that. And I'm just not launching the car as hard. Plus, I softened up the front struts so I could get a little bit more. I put front struts at full soft so I can get a lot of weight transfer to the back. But I'm still on factory 0304 Cobra Bilsteins in the rear on my IRS, and I need to really get some double adjustables because it's so soft, and the car it squats so hard. In between shifts, it's unloading, and if you watch the video, if you pay attention, the trunk comes up very noticeably, and sometimes it leads me to start spinning between gears because it's unloaded the rear so much. So that's going to be one of my next upgrades, as well as I'm going to turn it up a little bit, and I plan on getting the nitrous on there soon. Once I do that, I'm going to see how it runs. I think the motor is starting to need a refresh, so there's a chance that the motor will come out soon, and if the motor has to come out, I'm getting the heads done. So I'm going to get some cams, and I'm really going to turn it up. If I do that, we're shooting for 1,000 horsepower. So all in all, awesome weekend. Highlight of Adam LZ's open house. Tommy F, yeah, he liked the car. Cletus has seen the car a couple times, and he saw it again. He was too busy to really be able to do anything. He actually thought we had already done a video on the car, but we hadn't. And he's way too busy with everything that Adam has set up for him. So that's nothing like that's going to happen anytime soon, at least. But Tommy came over and liked it. Talk a little crap about my wheels, whatever. But I like them. He likes them too. He actually has some on his car. But yeah, if Tommy has the chance before he leaves Orlando, the invite's open, man. You can ride along, and if you're lucky, I might even toss you the keys, and you can take the wheel of the old sketchy fox. So anyway, guys, thanks again for watching. I'll keep you updated. I'll have another video coming out soon of some more stuff that's supposed to be coming up here. As of now, though, that was really the last couple of events of the year. My family flies in on this Friday, actually, the 21st, and I'll actually have a ugly sweater party we're hosting, first one ever. If you guys don't know what coquito is, amazing Puerto Rican Spanish drink, and my 100% white self has mastered the concoction. I have made it, and it is delicious. All right, guys, till next time, peace.